same thing goes for this. Then we do the page link. Okay, now we also need to have the link tag. So Gatsby has got a package called Gatsby link available. We could import the link for routing from the Gatsby itself, but it's just that for some reason it doesn't work in Storybook. So as per what people have suggested on the Stack Overflow and GitHub issues, that you should use the Gatsby link package. So I'm just going to install that. So again, add Gatsby link. Okay, let it install it, and then we're going to import that from the link from the Gatsby link. So import link from Gatsby link. If you weren't using the Storybook, then you would probably just import it from Gatsby itself. Okay, but since we are, then we're just going with this approach. Okay, so we are checking if the page link is available. If it is, then we're just saying that it should go to the blog page, this particular button. So just to show you in visually, so this is a section that we're working on. So you've got the title, the description, and this is the link. This link should actually go to the blog page. Okay, to the blog page. All right. So we have a button, and then it's going to take the text, and then we have, in case if it's not available, then we're just using it from the normal pagelink.uri. Okay, awesome. So that's that. Now what we're going to do is, I think this is a good time to go ahead and add some CSS as well. So again, I will copy the CSS since we don't have time to write everything. So I'll